Bolognese meat sauce. A side dish from Italy. Serve 6. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the butter and oil in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Add the onion, and cook over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the pancetta or bacon and cook until the onion is translucent. Stir in the carrot,
Step 2.
celery and garlic. Add the beef, and
Cook for
crumble
3
it
to
into
4
the
minutes
vegetables
more.
with a fork. Stir until the meat loses its red color. Season to taste. Step 3. Pour in the wine, increase the heat slightly, and cook until the liquid evaporates, 3 to 4 minutes. Add the milk and cook until it has evaporated. Step 4. Stir in the tomatoes with their juice and the herbs. Bring the sauce to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer, uncovered, for 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring occasionally. Correct the seasoning before
CountryReports,
serving on a bed
culture,
of pasta. Countries, travel.